Mboweni formally introduces new Sars Commissioner Edward Kieswetter. Pretoria, Finance Minister Tito Mboweni has formally introduced new Sars Commissioner Edward Kieswetter on Thursday afternoon in Pretoria. President Cyril Ramaphosa announced his appointment on Wednesday night on the eve of a strike at the Revenue Service over salary disputes. The National Education, Health and Allied Workers Union said it's concerned by the lack of transparency in the process of appointing the new Sars boss. The union's Sindi has said, appointing the commissioner of Sars could have been dealt with better. There could have been transparency. We do not have an issue with him, for now. The Public Servants Association Stefan Bilgen said they welcome the appointment. We're not sure what his interaction will be. If he is willing to talk to the us, then we are willing to talk. The new commissioner, whose appointment is effective from 1 May, has already weighed in on the ongoing Sars strike. He said the timing of the work stoppage was unfortunate and added must be resolved urgently.
Yeah.